Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to equip multiple hairs on Roblox. First of all, you have to right click on, just open a browser and go to roblox.com. Now once you're here guys, click on menu button over here and go to Roblox Avatar. Now go to head and body and choose hair from head and body, and from here guys you have to you can see that I already equipped 2 hairs. So how did I do that? So if I trying to select another one, it will unselect the previous 2 hairs. So what you have to do, if you want to equip multiple hairs, you have to right click on a new hair, right click on it and just copy the link address. Now you have to open a new tab and just paste your link address over here and just copy this asset ID from the URL and just copy. Go back to Avatar page. Here you will see this advanced link over here. Click on it and just paste your in the blank one and just click on save and save again. And your both accessories or both the hair will be selected. And hope you like it. Thanks for watching.